Last year, when this administration came to office, we sat through the summit, and we agreed on an agenda and timelines. We came back again in June here, through the summit, agreed on the things that were pending, and in the last summit in December, we noted the progress of what the other two advisories had made, and we were given 2 months to conclude. And the reason why we are here today is to find a common ground on the roles, the transfer of roles between the national government and the county government.
I shared his views, his perspectives on what needs to happen in the transfer of functions in that particular sector with the group. His views, I can say with a lot of joy, were generally consistent with what the technical officers from both levels of government have agreed needs to happen. That this transfer is driven by the Constitution, and that number two, on the other hand, the implementation of the entire transfer is a process so that we cannot disrupt service delivery in that process of transfer. The ministry will continue to provide policy to set standards and norms for the sector, and at the same time support capacity building of the county governments in what the county governments need to do. The county governments, of course, will continue with what the Constitution has provided for them, to provide all the services that they need and perform all the functions with the support of the national government as dictated by the Constitution.